guys, and welcome to my channel. And today I am going to be doing a Play-Doh slime review. So recently the company Play-Doh has come out with their own slimes, which is super fun. So I went ahead and picked up a big box of the new Play-Doh slimes, and I am just so excited to open them in today's video, and I really hope you guys enjoy. But first, if you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Alina. Be sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. And without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so here's the big box of the new Play-Doh slime. So this one is called the Play-Doh 6 Variety Pack, and I picked this one up at Target for around $15. I thought this package was super cool because you get a bunch of different textures of slime, and I was just so excited to open all of them. So here's the first Play-Doh slime that I'm going to be opening. So this one is the yellow slime, and I just love how they all come in these super cute Play-Doh containers. I just love the color of this slime as well. It's just super shiny and metallic. This slime has a very nice and smooth texture. It's super nice and stretchy, and it has amazing bubble pops. The slime doesn't really make any clicking noises, but other than that, this is such a nice slime, and I play with this one all the time. So here's the second Play-Doh slime that I'm going to be opening. So this one is the red cloud slime. I thought it was super cool how they included a cloud slime in this kit, but when I opened the lid, it definitely looked more like a butter slime than a cloud slime, so I'm not really sure what happened there, but I was okay with it. This slime has a super nice and creamy texture. It's super nice and stretchy, it has great clicking noises, and also has really nice bubble pops. This slime just has such a nice texture, it's a lot of fun to play with, and this was definitely my favorite slime from this video. So here are the next Play-Doh slimes that I'm going to be opening. So these ones are the Crackles slimes, and they come with two different colors, an orange slime and a green slime. Both of these Crackle slimes have a very nice texture. There are these mini slushy beads in the slime that give it that super nice crackly sound. Both of these slimes are super nice and stretchy. They're a lot of fun to play with, and I just had so much fun with these slimes. So here's the next Play-Doh slime that I'm going to be opening. So this one is a pink super stretch slime. This slime feels very similar to the yellow slime from earlier. It's super nice and stretchy, and it has great bubble pops. The slime doesn't really have any clicking noises, but other than that, I just love the color of this slime. I'm pretty sure there was some glitter in there as well, and I just had a lot of fun with this one. So here's the last Play-Doh slime that I'm going to be opening. So this one is the Plato Foam slime. I was super excited about this one because foams are definitely one of my favorite textures of slime. This slime has such a nice texture. It's super nice and stretchy, it has great clicking noises, and it's super nice and crunchy. This slime just has such a nice texture, and I had a lot of fun playing with this one. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Be sure to let me know in the comments down below which slime was your favorite. And again, be sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. And be sure to check out my Instagram page where I post all sorts of fun pictures and slime videos. I'll be sure to leave a link down below. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!